The front assist feature in the VW ID.4 EV can help avoid collisions with a vehicle on the road ahead by alerting the driver and activating braking. A camera in the upper front of the windshield, coupled with a radar sensor, detects situations that may cause a possible collision. If a potential collision is detected, the system alerts the driver with an audible alarm, and a warning will appear in the display. The ID light may also illuminate. If no corrective steering or braking is initiated by the driver, front assist will activate braking. Front assist may brake to a full stop in certain situations, but the vehicle will not be held to a stop. Driver braking is required. Moving the steering wheel or accelerating will cancel the front assist intervention. In certain situations, such as during vehicle towing or transport, front assist may be turned off using the infotainment system.